Hey guys, it's me, Dunkzinski, here again at Rancho Del Dunkzinski. I was just doing my daily route check, and let's see if we can get that on camera. Can you see that? Can you guys see that? That is a route. We've got roots on this Jack Herrera clone. Still no roots on the. Actually, we do have roots. We've got roots on the crepe myrtle too. Excellent. Pepper check while we're here. Looks like that guy didn't make it. These four are doing great though. 4 plants and 3 cells. We'll keep these guys as a double, see how they turn out. But the peppers are looking nice too. Does Money want to go outside? Does Money want to go outside? Here, let's let you outside. Now what's the puppy plan? What's the puppy plan? The puppy plan is go lay down under the tree. No. The puppy plan is go skadoodle around. Tragedy. The girls got knocked over. No, they didn't get knocked over. The damn thing broke. Oh, there's the missing bar. Oh. What a travesty. I can't believe those guys got knocked over. I mean, this thing fucking gave way. Oh, that is a shame. That is a genuine tragedy. We lost this girl because of the wind. Oh, that was my lemon. Honestly, all this dirt is full of foxtails. I might as well just leave it. Let's see how this. Definitely remove these guys first. Oh, dang it. I beg a soil cell. The gelato pop. Yep. Bubblegum runches. Let's go get some water for these girls. They're definitely gonna need it. Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. You're the one sitting on my foot. Let's water the onions while we're over here. Watering my onions, 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 watering my onion plants. Watering my onion, watering my onion plants. Chewy! Is that your Chewbacca impression? One milliliter of CalMag. Two for there, 5 for here. Two, 3, 4, 5. Then we take our blue stuff, get a scoop of that. We put 2 scoops in our watering can and 5 in the bucket. We'll pour that on Jackie later. Give her a whole mess of water. She looks like she needs it. I definitely need to give her water. There's like an emotional support thing. Trauma response. I think the play is make 2 holes, plop our plants down. And we'll keep what we were doing. There we go. Now we just water them in. Man, that sucks we lost one of the girls, though. These other two were already suffering from transplant shock, so hopefully they pull through. Lowe's Raid Garden Bed, you're on notice. You better shape up or ship out. Such a bummer, too. I thought this was a good purchase. But not if it just falls. That's these two girls fed, watered in, ready for bed. Next, we'll go feed Jackie with that big old bucket. Probably feed the Willow too. Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. Oh, take our bucket. Look at those straws coming along. All right, so nice and slow, I think is how we're going to go. Not too much at once. Not too much at once. Let's do it. Let that penetrate deep into the soil. Nice, strong stems on this one. I think this moisture meter's broke. In what world is this not moist? Well, that is unfortunate. Just wash some of that soil we built up over there. Make it nice and even still. I guess we'll give the rest of the straw here. No, the cucumber's the one that needs it. I saw something jump. Not sure if frog or cricket. I've seen them both. Let's pop you out of here. Let's tour the launch pad together. Here we go. See that female pumpkin. Look at her grow. The rest of the launch pad is looking stunning. That corn is getting tall. You can see just the sheer abundance of flowers on this guy. Flowers everywhere. And as we come around to the other side, the multivine monster, I noticed that little female pumpkin right there. Not sure if it was fertilized or not. We'll have to see. If it wasn't, I believe we've got another one starting to form right here. Yep. Exciting times. Exciting pumpkins. Hey, gang. I just want to end off today's video saying I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you sticking with me and taking the time. And I appreciate you watching the progress on the ranch. It's coming along slowly but surely. Join us tomorrow as it's going to be another hot one, so we're probably going to have to water way more plants. And we'll find something else fun to do too while we're at it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that YouTube jazz. I mean, you don't have to, but I'd really appreciate it. Have a great day. That's all that really matters.